that returns true when value is matching with regular expression. That means generally we use a condition. If a value is matching with regular expression, then what should happen? We need to define the condition. That means, so if true, what should happen? What the statements need to execute if true? Else, which statements? So it is a technically Boolean function. So you return a value, your word, and you return regular expression. How to compare them? Then I am using a simple condition. If word dot match, if it is matching with regular expression, then we will simply write console.log. In that we will say your spelling. So, and the spelling you entered in word, so is correct. Your spelling is correct. So else console.log. So your spelling, or simply you say you say invalid, and here we say you can enter only COLOR or COLOUR. I will display this message. So invalid, that means here what they entered is invalid. That means here what they entered, I will give them. So, and it is invalid. That means the word is invalid. Okay. Now see here. We are using a simple comparison. How do we compare the regular expression? We generally do that by using match function. Now let's save this. Let's save and let's verify this. That means let's run this and see. And see, my spelling is COLOR. So let's compile this and run this. So TSC expression.ts. Okay. And node expression.js. And you can see your spelling COLOR is correct. Okay, I will change my word here, COLOUR, and I will save this. That means I am misspelling this, COLOUR, and compile and run this. And this time it says that COLOUR invalid. You can enter only COLOR or COLOUR. Okay, let's remove that one U and save. And you enter again and compile again. And you can see this time it says your spelling COLOUR is correct. That means it is allowing two spellings. COLOR, it is saying it is correct. COLOUR is also correct. And COLOUR, it is wrong. And you enter any another spelling. Hello. I entered some other word which is not valid. That means any another word you entered inside it, then it says that, so it is invalid. Hello invalid, because you can enter only COLOUR or COLOR. Anything other than that is not valid. Even, for example, I entered so capital COLOR. So that means I'm using uppercase COLOR. Then I'm compiling this and let's run this, and you can see it says invalid because, and very important is COLOR, COLOUR. So regular expressions are case sensitive. Regular expressions are case sensitive. So then how do we handle the case also? For that, a lot of expression we need to write. So for that, you need to understand other meta characters, how to deal with it. And for example, see here, so I entered, suppose instead of question mark, I entered plus. If I entered plus, that means it is allowing COLOU. U occurrence can be, so COLOUR, color. Plus mark indicates, actually this meta character plus indicates one or more occurrences, not zero. That means one or more occurrences. Okay, I will save this and run, and you can see here. So COLOUR, it is correct. Your spelling COLOUR is correct. And if I use COLOR, now you can see I compile this. Plus mark indicates minimum one occurrence. Then you see it says invalid. COLOR is invalid. Why? Because you are using a plus. Plus indicates that its occurrence must be minimum one and maximum any. That means if I write COLOUU, it is valid. If I say UU, it is valid. Why? Because it can be more than one time occurred. That means its occurrence can be more than one time. You can see it says your spelling COLOUUR is correct. So plus is for more than one occurrence, and question mark is for one occurrence. And if I use asterisk, this is for zero and more occurrences. Zero and one occurrence, zero or more occurrences, then we can define by using this method. So these are the characters. That means how you can handle. So these are meta characters. There are so many meta characters. And how do we deal with the meta characters? We will see that. First, I will give a list of all meta characters. So we have question mark, we have plus, we have asterisk, and we have slash. Slash is used for entities. That means to define any individual entity. What are those entities? I will tell you. So one is W. W actually it is an entity. So it is an entity to allow uppercase, lowercase alphabet, uppercase, lowercase alphabet. So that means uppercase alphabet, lowercase alphabet with numeric and underscore. So it is an entity to allow uppercase alphabet, lowercase alphabet with numeric and underscore. That is slash W. Slash W means it will actually allow anything from A to Z. It will allow anything from A to Z. It will allow anything from 0 to 9, and it will allow an underscore symbol. So that means the W indicates you can enter anything between these. That is uppercase or lowercase or a numeric value. So, and with underscore, generally we represent that by